Is the measuring tape along with the wheels. Calibration cloth should be vertically with measuring tape 90 angle, parallel with rear box. Calibration cloth should be paralleled with car rear box. Put half of calibration cloth under the rear box. Spirit level should be parallel with cloth lines on calibration cloth. Spirit level both ends from top must be tightly leaned on the rear bumper. If the bottom of spirit level is parallel with calibrating lines, but the top is unstuck the rear bumper, then knees to left and right moving the spirit level to adjustment. Find the position for spirit level that from the bottom can parallels with calibrating lines. Meanwhile, the top of spirit level can leans on the rear bumper tightly, and then use marker pen mark down the position. Mark down with a method for the other side of bumper. Incorrect operating. The bottom of spirit level is parallel with calibrating lines, but the top is unstuck from the rear bumper. Needs to moving the spirit level to find the position.